Really?
Ooh.
Wait. Actually, I can
Close your eyes.
see. Why?
Hey my angels, welcome back to my YouTube channel. As you can see, I have no makeup and today we are doing makeup. We're doing makeup as I promised you guys. So yeah, today I'm going to be a makeup model for one of my relatives, and this is the outfit I am wearing. You guys have seen this outfit in one of my videos because I've worn it once before in someone's wedding. I think 6 months back or maybe 8 months back, I'm not really sure. I've worn this outfit once, so I decided to wear it again. It looks stunning on me. So yeah, we are doing makeup and I think we're doing like a reception kind of look, like bridal kind of look. So I'm super excited to see how I'm going to look, guys. And yeah, also hairstyle as well, so I'm super excited to see how it's gonna turn out. So if you guys want to see this video, then please keep watching. So this is the makeup, oh my god, Jacqueline Hill palette. I'm so excited, guys, so excited, so excited. Let's close your cupboard. this is the final result. Oh my god, it looks so gorgeous. I'm so in love with this because this is my kind of makeup, like more English and bold makeup. I love this type of makeup. And look at the hair, guys. I love this fairy tale kind of makeup, guys. I'm just in love with the hair. It's so pretty. Can you see how poofy it looks from here? It looks so nice and elegant. This is perfect for brides, honestly speaking. I'm so in love, guys. Oh my god, guys, look at my lipstick. This is the type of lipstick I need to be applying, right, guys? So pretty. And this is the outfit that I was telling you guys. It's super pretty. It's so nice. It's like satin, and here it's like fully sequenced and all that. It's so pretty. I'm so in love. I would totally rock this look in a wedding, guys. These lashes are everything, guys. I love luscious lashes. That's like everything for me, honestly speaking. It's the best.
Like we're getting ready for a wedding. Wait, I want to do something. I want to do a concert. So.
Go take the picture first.
Close your eyes. It's a good shot. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Turn your head. Saffron, the light. Using to zoom.
Take a picture like this.
Shush.
I'm done with it.
No, look, next, the makeup.
So guys, Safwan has something to tell you guys.
Subscribe.
Don't forget to subscribe down below. Don't forget to like the video and share it with your
Friends.
friends.